AI tools can help you convert your videos into infographics in seconds. In this video, I will show you how NotebookLM's new feature can create infographic on any topic. Simply go to notebooklm.google.com, click on Create New Notebook, go to the search bar, insert your URL, which I got from my YouTube video, which is about the FIFA World Cup 2026 schedule. So I've got the link from here. So this is where I got my link from. And now I've gone back to my notebook and I'll click on Submit. These are the sources that have been generated. Now click on sources, untick the ones that you don't want. So here you have the option of unticking the sources that you do not want for your research. So I've unticked all that. And then now I'm left with only one video that I used. Click on import. Head over to the summary section. So this is the summary of the video that has been generated. Now head over to the summary section. In the summary section, you will find a quick summary of the video. Then put in the prompt that you like to add to the infographic. I've included insert the names of the cities where the matches will take place, include colors, make it realistic, include important dates, help people travel to the venues, and then click on submit. So this is changing your summary status. So now I have changed the status of the summary with important details. So I have included the names of host cities. I've also included names of the venues as well, the stadiums that where the games will be played, as well as the dates. Now head over to the studio, click on infographic. Finally, your infographic is ready. Click on this. So there you go. The infographic has information that you had requested for. That's the title of your poster or infographic. And these are the information that was in the video. Now you can go ahead and download that, share that with somebody else, or you can use that as a tracking sheet for the World Cup. For any changes to the existing infographic that you had, go back, insert your command over here. For example, make it more detailed, and then you click on infographic again. It will generate another infographic which will be based on the command that you have put in. So finally, what we did today was we looked at how to create an infographic using Google's Notebook LM. If you found this helpful, do click on subscribe to support the channel. If you found this helpful, click on the related video for more tips. The next one is on how to use Google Gemini and Notebook LM to create resources.